friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Watch Blaze. Along with telling the details, I am also sharing some pictures with you, so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. This smartwatch model comes with a 1.75-inch display with a peak brightness of 500 nits and 2.5D curved design. Multiple inbuilt watch faces and the Boat Hub app can be used to access 100+ cloud-based watch faces for ultimate customization. This smartwatch has a super sleek 10mm body made of lightweight yet durable premium metal. Latest Apollo 3 Blue Plus processor that's designed especially for battery-powered portable devices. It offers superior performance with ultra-low power consumption. It has 3-atom dust, water and splash resistance. That keeps the smartwatch running up to a depth of 30 meters for 30 minutes. It comes with up to 7 days of battery life, and is equipped with Boat's app charge that can keep the smartwatch running for a day with a mere 10-minute charge. Smartwatch has active sedentary and hydration reminders, SpO2 blood oxygen monitor, heart rate tracker along with 14 sports modes. It comes in active black, deep blue, raging red and cherry blossom color options. It is priced at Rs. 3,499 and will be available from Amazon.in. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please, subscribe our channel.